Hi guys! So, I got some loot bag. So, just like in game, di ba, nakakuha tayong mga loots. This is from Laptop Factory. So, sponsor nila yung Asus Gaming. Game ready, game on. So, by the way, just a little something about the Laptop Factory. So, actually, marami silang binibentang laptops. So, that's why it's Laptop Factory. So, they have like different brands there on their store. Marami talaga kayong pamimilian. Yung iba doon, maybe you can find one na pasok naman sa budget ninyo. Pwedeng pang gaming, pang work, or pang school. So, iba-ibang brands. And then, yung ibang brands nga doon, medyo hindi pa ako familiar. So, you might want to check out. So, nasa-surprise ako dito. So, this is MSI M18 gaming mouse. So, we're gonna open it later. Lenovo notebook. Yan, 8 glasses of water every day. I'm kind of guilty about it. So, ayan, Laptop Factory. Visit niyo yan, guys. Ano yan? Ayala Mall, Stairs Fairview. So, meron silang branch doon. And then, other branches nila, I think I'm just gonna put it here sa video natin. And HP. So, yung HP kilala yan sa mga pang-work na laptop. Oh, nice. Pang stickers. So, ayan, 50% big time sale. So, abangan nyo yung sale event nila. So, I think mas magmumura talaga yung mga laptop dyan. What else here? Oh, mouse pad from MSI as well. So, may ka-pair na yung mouse natin. That's cool. I think, hindi na available. But, if you can find one, you're lucky. So, ito yung specs niya. So, ganyan siya. And that's nice. MSI. This is for gaming, for work. So, ayan. And then, dito yung adjustan ng DPI. Actually, maganda naman. Very working fine.
The good thing about this is up to 5,000 DPI and pwede siyang Bluetooth, dongle, or with wire. So, mag-charge na rin siya dun. So, ayun guys, I'm really happy with this, but I don't know the price of this right now.
So, don't miss out. Check nyo yung page nila and also like their page for more updated events and deals. Alright? See you guys next time. Bye!